Hello friends, I am Ms. Amruta Nandal working as a lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department at SPM Polytechnic Kumte Solapur. This is 13th video lecture on Unit 2 Fundamentals of Cellular System. In previous lecture we had discussion on different techniques of improving coverage and system capacity of cellular system. In that video we had seen different techniques like splitting, sectoring, microcell zone concept and repeaters for range extension. Okay, in this video we will see some problems on splitting, sectoring and differences of some points. Okay, this is the first question. Here 3 points are given. The channel capacity for cellular telephone area comprise of 7 macrocell with 16 channel per cell. And second one, channel capacity if each microcell is further split into 4 mini cell. Channel capacity if each mini cell is further split into 7 microcell. What is given here? First write down that. Okay. So solution for this question is, for first one, in part 1 write down what we want to find. We want to find channel capacity. Okay, so here cluster size is given, n is equal to 7 and k is of 16 channels. Total number of channels are 16. So here cluster is not repeated, so take m is equal to 1. We know what is the formula for capacity of system. So formula is C is equal to m into n into k. We know all these values, so put all the values and find out C. So C is equal to 112, that is 112. This is the capacity for part 1. Okay, for next, here what is given, the 7 macro cells are splitted into 4 mini cells. Okay, so just multiply the 7 into 4. So n is equal to 7 into 4. Same formula is applying here. So what is the answer? C is equal to 448. And what is given in third point? The mini cells is further split into 4 microcells. So what will have? N is equal to 28 into 4. So same procedure is repeated again. So find out C. C is equal to 1792. Next problem is, determine distance from nearest channel cell having radius 0.64 kilometer and co-channel reuse fraction is 12. So what is given here? The radius of cell is 0.64 and co-channel reuse function, that is Q, is given is equal to 12. So what we have to find? We have to find the distance from nearest channel. So we know formula of Q. What is that? Q is equal to D by R. So put that values and find out the D. So D is equal to Q into R. Q is equal to 12 and R is equal to 0.64. So D is equal to 7.68 kilometer. Okay, next is the difference between hard and soft handoff. We already seen total description of all the types of handoffs. So some differences are there, very important for your exam point of view. So we already know what is hard handoff and what is soft handoff, how they are used, where are used, what is this strategy is used for this handoff. Okay, some points are there. The concept is used in handoff is break before make, and in soft handoff is make before break. Frequency, the same the frequency of two base stations are different in hard handoff and same in soft handoff. Call drop rate is higher in hard handoff and lower in soft handoff. So where the hard handoff is used, in GSM hard handoff is used and soft handoff is used in CDMA. Okay. Next is difference between cell sectoring and cell splitting. You know what is the definition of sectoring and splitting? Both are methods for the increasing capacity and coverage. So there are two types of both types. In sectoring, 60-degree sectoring and 120-degree sectoring we will use, and in cell splitting we using permanent and dynamic splitting. What is the cell size? In cell sectoring, the size of the cell is remains same. Only we are making some sectoring in degrees, and in cell splitting we dividing the in cell splitting we dividing the original cell to form a new cell which having the radius 1/2 of the original cell. Okay. And the antennas in sectoring, single omnidirectional antenna is replaced by many directional antenna, but in splitting what we do, single omnidirectional antenna is used at the base station. There is no another antenna is required. So cell radius, as I told, D by R ratio is decreased by keeping cell radius constant, but for cell splitting, new cell is 1/2 of the radius of original cell. So this is the all about second unit, that is fundamental of cellular system. Here our unit is completed. So I will give you assignment for this unit. Complete that and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.